Hello friends, here I have joined the 9 mini squares together, and first I am making the squares. You take your dark color yarn for center portion of your square and make one slip knot. And make 3 foundation chains, 2 3, and this is total the 4 chains in my hook, and I am going to the 4th chain of my hook and make one double crochet. Make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Total 3 DC in the same stitch, and make 1 2 chain and make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. You repeat this pattern 4 times in the same stitch. 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same stitch. Total 4 times you make the same pattern, and here you join it with slip stitch. Here I am making 1 2 3 4 times of the same pattern, and you cut your yarn for second round. You go to the space between the 3 DC stitch. Here 3 DC stitch, 2 chain, then 3 DC stitch, and you insert your hook in the space and make one slip stitch. Here I have attached another color yarn or base color yarn. Make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. Then 2 chain, make 3 more double crochet in the same space. And then I am making 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space, and I am going to the next space. Here I have skipped the 3 stitches and make 3 DC, two chain, 3 more DC in the same space, and you repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. I have completed my mini granny square pattern, and then you make this type of square center part of the square in different colors. You make the 8 more squares and start the joining together. So you start from space and make slip stitch and make 2 more chain, count as a first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet in the same space, and then make 1 chain and go to you take your first square and you insert your hook in the any space and pull through yarn and make 1 slip stitch and make 1 chain and make 3 double crochet in the very first square, sorry, this is the second square, and here you make the 3 DC, and then you go to the space and make 1 slip stitch, and then you skip the next 3 stitches, 3 DC, one chain and go to the second square corner and make 1 slip stitch and make 1 chain and make 3 double crochet in the second square space, and then you do not attach it, you make only DC stitch in the corner space and here you join it with slip stitch and cut your extra yarn. I have joined together and you join the another color square you repeat the same process. You join it each squares in the same process. Here you join it with this corner, and here you make one slip stitch, make one chain, and repeat the same pattern. Then you go skip the next 3 stitches and make 3DC, 2 chain, 3DC. You repeat it, and you attach this square in the same process, and you make this colorful mini squares. And this is the base color yarn. White here I have used the white printed white color yarn, and you must use the white color or light cream color yarn for joining this small mini squares. And you make this type of square. You join 3, and here I have joined the 3 squares, and you make the same square. After that I will teach you how to make I have completed my square, and then I am starting for here. You make one chain, count as a first single crochet, and make one single crochet in the every stitch of this round square, sorry. You make one single crochet in the every stitch. I have completed my 3 rows of the single crochet. In every corner I have increased my 3 single crochet stitch. This is the corner portion. Here you increase your stitches. 1, 2, and one more, 3, and then you make one single crochet in the every stitch. I have completed my 4th round, and here I am making the holder point, hanging point. This is this type of loop. So I am making 18 chains, and you join it with the next stitch with slip stitch, and you repeat one single crochet in the next stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the last round, and you increase your single crochet in every corner area. This is the corner. Here you increase your stitches, 3 single crochet in the same stitch, and repeat one single crochet in every stitch. You repeat it. This is the loop portion. Here you make 40 single crochet over this loop. I have completed my crochet mini square dishcloth. This is very unique pattern. You can try it, and please share my videos and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.